Hi guys, may dumating siyang parcel guys. Mag-unplastic tayo. Ayan, ano kaya yan? Bag daw yan, bag. In-order niya guys. Wow. Ano yan? Bag pang school ba yan? Tote bag. Tote bag. Ay, ang taray. How much is that?
297.
200? Mura na. Anong say mo? Maganda ba?
Lightweight lang. For
Lightweight.
commute.
Maganda yung yung hawakan niya, handle niya, ano siya, parang matibay, aesthetic. Ayun lang guys. Saan mo in-order?
Shane.
Shane. Ay. Thank you guys for watching. Gustong gusto daw niya. Bye.